Let's say we want to build a research agent and we have this one query. We want to understand why is there so much drama at OpenAI. I came up with a chart that explains we can build an agent to answer this question. So we have basically four important parts here. We have the arrows. The arrows basically show the flow that we designed as an engineer. We have the green boxes. The green box represent the LLMs. Then we have the blue boxes. The blue boxes are basically tools. We use a tool every time an LLM makes a decision to use one, or we just decide ourselves to use a tool by integrating it into the flow. And then we have the orange boxes, which basically represent the interface, how we, like the user, communicate with the agent. On the left, you can see the smiley, right? So this is you. You use an interface to trigger the agent. And the first thing that will happen is we ask GPT 3.5, hey, based on this query, why is there so much drama at OpenAI? Can you please generate a Google search query? And it will do that. Then we will use this query to do a Google search, and Google search will probably respond with 10 links and with descriptions from the websites. So let's say we have these 10 descriptions and we have this one questions. And then we do another API call. This time we use GPT-4 because this time reasoning is a little bit more important because we make a decision. And we asked GPT, hey, among these 10 search results, do you think that the website that can give us a really good answer to this is actually among these 10 links? And if it says no, then we go back to generate another Google query to do another Google search. So this is where the GPT made the decision to do another Google search. And then there we have this loop, and this is why it's an agent. We make a decision and then we use an LLM in the loop basically to rethink our result and then get more information to provide a better result in the end. So let's say this time GPT-4 thinks, yeah, among these other 10 links that we just got, now we have 20. There's something that looks pretty cool. It might have the answer that we want. So it decides to say, yes, I have everything I need. And the next step is, hey, GPT 3.5, we have this question right here. Why is there so much drama at OpenAI? And we have 20 links here. Do we really need all of them? Which are the 3 or 5 most important websites that could deliver us the results? Because these websites, we want to scrape them. So it's really important that we only process what is really necessary to save money. The next step is to scrape these websites and then extract the key points from these websites. Imagine you do this for 20 websites. This will be really, really expensive because GPT-4 is basically extracting this information. By reducing 20 to 5 links, we will save a lot of money. I mean, this can be in the euros in the end, even then tokens are very cheap by now. Yeah, it depends on the model. So let's say GPT-4 extracted a lot of key points from 3 or 5 websites. Then it will do another step and it will summarize all of this, and then it will say to the next step, which is the Claude 3 Opus model. This is another model, another LLM provided by Anthropic. It will say, hey, can you please take all these notes that I took from these 3 websites or 5 websites and write a really, really good response to the user who came with this question. And then the model will return with the response. And yeah, so then we have the answer. And the answer here is 42. So yeah, so this is basically how an agent works. You have a lot of components. You have the interface, you have the LLMs that make decisions at some point, and then we use tools.